In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make use of both managewix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website building experience. This process will be seamless and intuitive, guiding you through the setup and design of your Wix site in just a few simple steps. So let's dive into the world of Wix and create something truly unique. To start, you'll want to head over to manage.wix.com. This is where all the magic begins, and where you can set up and manage the various aspects of your site. Once you're at the setup page, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface that makes the process straightforward. From here, you'll click on Design Site. This button is your gateway to the creative aspect of your website project. As you click, you'll be taken to the editor.wix.com platform, a powerful tool that allows you to freely design your website. Here, you'll find a wide array of options to personalize your site. An important starting point is to locate and click on Add Elements. This feature unlocks a plethora of resources and design tools you can use to add functional and aesthetic elements to your website. Next, while still in the editor, click on Embed Code and choose HTML. This action is particularly useful if you're looking to integrate custom HTML code into your site. The HTML element is versatile and can help you incorporate custom widgets, forms, and other elements that aren't available by default in the Wix editor. Be sure to paste or write the correct code to avoid errors on the page. Once you've adjusted your HTML settings, ensure that you click Apply. This will save the changes and incorporate your newly added elements into your web page layout. The apply function is crucial as it serves to update the design with any modifications you've made. Always remember to click save afterward. This is a vital step as it ensures all your changes and hard work are preserved. It's easy to forget, but saving your work frequently can prevent the frustration of losing unsaved edits. Finally, you'll click done. This action effectively signals that you have completed your current round of edits. It's like wrapping a neat little bow on your site design efforts, ensuring that all your changes are live and ready for viewing. And there you have it, a quick yet detailed guide to using managedwix.com and editorwix.com. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a dynamic and engaging website. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore these tools further to discover all the creative possibilities they offer. Thank you for tuning in, and happy website building.